Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Canva to Buffer for Instagram carousel templates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect Canva to Buffer for Instagram carousel templates, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Canva website and log in to your account. Next, create or select the Instagram carousel template you wish to use. Once your design is ready, click on the Share button located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select the More option. Scroll down until you find Buffer in the list of apps. Click on the Buffer icon to initiate the connection. If prompted, log in to your Buffer account. Authorize Canva to access your Buffer account. After authorization, return to your Canva design. You will see the Buffer option now available for sharing. Select the option to share your design directly to Buffer. Choose the appropriate social media profile for your Instagram post. Fill in any necessary captions or descriptions for your carousel. Once everything looks good, click on Add to Buffer. You can now schedule or publish your Instagram carousel directly from Buffer. Confirm the details in your Buffer dashboard to ensure everything is set correctly. That's it. Your Canva design is now connected to Buffer for easy sharing on Instagram. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.